WirthCo Battery Doctor Quick Release Battery Bolts offer a straightforward upgrade for anyone tired of struggling with traditional battery terminal bolts. Designed to replace the standard 5/16" bolts, these quick-release bolts make battery maintenance faster and hassle-free, no tools required. What sets these bolts apart is their anti-corrosive steel construction paired with color-coded polypropylene levers. This combination not only ensures durability but also makes it easy to identify and operate the bolts quickly. The cam action mechanism lets you tighten or loosen the bolts smoothly, saving you time and effort. Installation is surprisingly simple. While the instructions might not be crystal clear, a bit of common sense gets you up and running in under 20 minutes. This tool-free setup means you can secure or disconnect your battery terminals without fumbling for wrenches or screwdrivers. One major benefit is how these bolts help protect your battery from being drained by your car's electrical systems during periods of inactivity. If you don't have access to a trickle charger, these quick-release bolts offer a convenient way to disconnect your battery and preserve its charge. WirthCo has been producing practical, reliable products for over 30 years, so you can trust the quality behind these battery bolts. They're sold as a pair, giving you everything you need to upgrade both terminals at once and enjoy hassle-free battery management. If you're looking for a simple, durable solution to keep your battery healthy and make maintenance easier, WirthCo Battery Doctor Quick Release Battery Bolts are worth a look. They streamline the process, reduce corrosion risks, and eliminate the need for tools during installation or removal. Ready to simplify your battery upkeep? These bolts deliver clear benefits: durability, ease of use, and better battery protection. Try them when you're ready to save time and avoid the frustration of traditional battery terminals. Keep in mind, this product contains chemicals recognized by California Prop 65 as potentially harmful, so handle with care. Still, for anyone who wants a smarter way to manage their vehicle's battery, these quick-release bolts offer a practical, proven option.